Welcome Adult Solutions. My name is S. Krishna Kishore. Today I am handling 10th class mathematics similar triangles topic chapter number 8 Andhra Pradesh. Now I am going to here short answers questions, 1 mark questions I am explaining today. Here write Pythagoras converse statement. It is given the one of the statement is given Pythagoras converse statement. Then how to write the Pythagoras converse statement? Here in Pythagoras converse statement, here first in a triangle, write here statement right here. First write the statement in a triangle, the square of one side of the the length of the one side, the square of the length of one side, the square of the length of one side of a triangle, one side of a triangle is equal to squares of the length of the squares of other two sides, the lengths of squares of other two sides, then angle opposite to one side of a triangle, one side opposite to one side of the triangle is right angle, then the triangle is right angle triangle. This is the statement of the Pythagoras converse statement. Once again see here, my dear students, in a triangle, the square of the length of the one side of a triangle is equal to length of the squares of other two sides, then angle opposite to first side of the triangle is right angle, then the triangle is right angle triangle. This is the converse of the Pythagoras converse of the converse statement. Here next question, see, 8 square plus 15 square is equal k square, then find k. It is asked the question. Here 8 square plus 15 square is equal k square. First write the question here, 8 square plus 15 square is equal k square. Then find k. Here 8 square is equal how much? Already know the value, 8 square is equal 64 plus 15 square is how much? 15 square is equal 225 is equal k square. Therefore 225 plus 64 how much? Go to rough work right here, 225 plus 64 is equal 289. 289 how to find out here? 17 square, 17 into 17. Calculation of the value, 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 17 ones are 17. Again what is the value? 289. Therefore 17 square right here. Therefore here total what is the value got here? 289. 289 is equal k square. Therefore 289 how to write the form? 17 square is equal k square. Therefore remove the squares on both sides. Therefore k value is equal 17. Now here third question, in a triangle ABC, BC square plus AB square is equal AC square, then where is the right angle? That is given the question. First draw the triangle ABC. Draw the triangle ABC. ABC. Here BC square plus AB square. Here in triangle ABC, here BC square means here this is called BC square, this is called AB square, this is called AC square. Here applied by Pythagoras theorem, applying by PT, Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The square of the hypotenuse side is equal. The square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Therefore, AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. This is the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. In a triangle is exactly 90 degrees here. Hypotenuse means here, hypotenuse side means one side is opposite to 90 degrees, opposite side is equal to exactly hypotenuse. This is called 90 degrees, opposite side is called hypotenuse side. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, angle B is equal 90 degrees. What is the question? In a triangle ABC, BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Then, where is the right angle? Right angle, where is the location? Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Next, in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Right angle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to AC square. Right angle at C. First draw the triangle ABC. Here A, C, B. Right angle at C, 90 degrees take here in a triangle ABC. Here ABC is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Here two sides are equal. AC length is equal BC length. Here isosceles triangle, right angle at C, prove that AB square is equal to AC square. First what is given here? First given right here. In the solution here, first given. What is given? In triangle ABC, in triangle ACB or ABC, what is given? ABC only right here. ABC, triangle ABC, angle C is equal exactly 90 degrees. Again, here in triangle ABC, angle C is equal 90 degrees. Here right angle at C. Then next to another condition there here, AC length is equal BC length. Why? Because it is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, then base angles also equal. Therefore, AC is equal BC. Next one, to prove. What is called to prove? Here AB square is equal 2 into AC square. That is called to prove. AB square is equal 2 into AC square. Next one, here proof. What is proof here? In triangle ABC, angle C is equal 90 degrees. Here applied by Pythagoras theorem, applying by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is PT, shortcut form PT, right? Applying by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal AC square plus CB square. AB square is equal AC square plus BC square or CB square. Here in this condition given AC is equal BC. Therefore, that is equal AC length is equal BC length. AC is equal BC, given right here. Given what is given here? Since again it is since AC is equal BC. Here in AC is equal BC, BC place right here AC. Therefore, AC square plus AC square. That is AC square plus AC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square is equal to AC square. Hence, proves this statement. Therefore, what is given here? AB square is equal to AC square. Your condition is then prove that the condition. Now, I am going to next question. In the given figure of AD perpendicular to BC, prove that AB square plus CD square is equal BD square plus AC square. Here draw the figure in triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Here first write here in this solution right here, first one given. What is given here? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, here AD perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC, that is first given. And next, second one, to prove. What is to prove here? AB square plus CD square is equal BD square plus AC square. Here AB square plus CD square is equal BD square plus AC square. Next, third one, here what is the condition? Third one here, you prove that this answer, proof. Here in triangle ABC, here is dividing to two parts. In triangle ABC, dividing to two parts. In triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. Triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. Right angle. Here angle D is equal 90 degrees. Applying by Pythagoras theorem. Applying by PT, Pythagoras theorem. Here what is the Pythagoras theorem? The square of the hypotenuse side is equal sum of the squares of other two sides. Again applied by Pythagoras theorem, AB square minus BD square is equal AD square. This is equation number 1. And next another triangle take here, triangle ADC. In triangle ADC is a right angle triangle. Here angle D is equal 90 degrees. Here AC square, what is the observation here? AC square minus what is the value there here? DC square, CD square is equal AD square. Here AC square minus CD square is equal AD square. Equation number 2. Here those two equations take here, solving two equations. Here AB square minus BD square is equal AC square minus CD square. What is to prove that here? AB square plus CD square. What is the CD square? Is a negative value. Just it is coming to left side value, coming to right side. Therefore AB square plus CD square. Here right side, it is the left side value. BD square just going to right side. Therefore AC square plus BD square. Therefore hence prove that AB square plus CD square is equal AC square plus BD square. That is called prove that the answer. Here a ladder is 25 meters long, reaches a window of building 20 meters above the ground. Determine the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. Just first draw the figure. It is the one of the triangle figure. Take here, draw the figure. It is A, it is B, it is C. Here a ladder is 25 meters long. It is called one of the ladder, 25 meters. Take here, and reaches the window of the building. Building height, the ground building height is given 20 meters is given. Building height above the ground. Determine the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. Here it is called foot of the ladder from the building. This is called building, it is called ladder. This here in between the length is called distance. This is called distance. Is asked the question distance. In triangle ABC, here in triangle ABC, here AB is equal 20 meters is given. AC is equal 25 meters is given. 25 meters. Therefore, BC is equal distance right here, it is called D. D means distance. He is find the distance from the foot of the ladder from the building. This is find out here. Applying by Pythagoras theorem. Applying by PT, Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The square of the hypotenuse side is equal sum of the squares of other two sides. Therefore, AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. Then AC is given here 25 whole square is equal. AB is equal how much? AB is equal 20. 25 AB is equal how much is given? 20. 20 whole square plus BC is equal, find out. Therefore, 25 whole square, 25s are 625 is equal 400. 20 whole square is equal 400 is equal BC square plus BC square. Therefore, BC square is equal 625 minus 400. Then BC square is equal to 625 minus 400 is equal 225. 225 can be written as 15 whole square. Therefore, BC square is equal 15 square. BC is equal 15. What is the here BC means? So, therefore, it is called distance. Distance is equal 15. 15 means 15 meters. Take care. It is considered the measurement 15 meters. It is the ladder to here one of the length. Distance is C to B. Distance is C to B. Distance is equal 15 meters. Now here it is the 4 marks question is given. State and prove the Pythagoras theorem. Here in Pythagoras theorem, first write the statement. What is the statement? In a triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side, the square of the length of the hypotenuse side is equal sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides. That is the statement of the Pythagoras theorem. First write the statement. First write here statement. In a triangle, the square of the length of the length of one side. In a triangle, the square of the length of the one side of a triangle is equal to sum of the squares of sum of the length of the squares, sum of the length of the squares. In a triangle, the square of the length of the one side of a triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides. Sum of the length of the other two sides. This is the statement of the here Pythagoras theorem. Here in this Pythagoras theorem statement writing over, after first you draw the figure in triangle ABC, angle B is equal 90 degrees, BD is perpendicular to AC. Here next one, what is the next one condition? Statement is over, next one is given in triangle ABC, here angle B is equal 90 degrees. Next third one, what is third one? To prove. What is to prove here? In triangle ABC, here AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. Here AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. Next fourth one, construction. What is construction? Here BD is perpendicular to AC. In triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. Next, fifth one, proof. What is proof here? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal 90 degrees. Angle B is equal 90 degrees. Here it is the triangle is split in two triangles. What are the triangles are there here? In triangle ABD, A here in triangle ADB, ADB is one of the triangle ADB, and triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Here in a right angle triangle split in two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Triangle ADB and triangle ABC, first here sides are two triangles are similar triangles. First two triangles are similar triangles. In similar triangles, what is the condition? Here sides are proportional. What are the sides are proportional? DB by, here take here triangle ADB, triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Here how to take here DB by AB, DB by AB is equal here BC by AC. Here triangle ABC, first take here ADB and triangle ABC. Here DB by AB is equal here BC by AC. Now triangle ADB and triangle ABC, first write here triangle ADB and triangle ABC. First observe here in triangle first sides are proportional. Here AD by AB is equal AB by AC. Here AD by AB and here AB by AC. This condition right here, now right here. What is the condition right here? In two triangles are similar triangles are take. Condition right here AD by AB is equal AB by AC. Here those sides are proportional. It is called similar triangles. Similar triangles. Sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. Again, next another triangle take, same triangle here, triangle BDC, here triangle, wait. Now here cross multiplication take, AB into AB is equal, AB square is equal AD into AC. This is equation number 1. After that another triangle BDC, triangle BDC and triangle ABC, triangle ABC. In those triangles are observed here, triangle BDC, triangle ABC. In those triangles, what is the observation? Here go to triangle BDC, triangle ABC. Here observation of the DC by CB, here CB means BC is equal BC by AC. Then same condition applied by here. Right here, therefore write DC by BC is equal BC by AC. Here it is equation number 2. What is the condition right here? Those two triangles are similar. Similar triangles. Sides are proportional. Here DC by BC is equal BC by AC. Therefore sides are proportional. Cross multiplication take BC square is equal DC into AC. This is equation number 2. Here in those two equations add 1 and 2. Add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 take here. Therefore 1 plus 2 adding 1 plus 2 take here. First equation means what? AB square is equal to AD into AC And next one take here, BC square is equal DC into AC. Both are adding equation 1 and equation 2, first and second. Here AB square plus BC square is equal, again right here AC common factor, take AC into plus, take here, it is called plus. Therefore, here AD plus DC. Here in right angle triangle AD plus DC is equal AC. Therefore, here AD plus DC is equal AC. Here therefore AC, here AD plus DC is equal AC. AC into AC is equal AC square. Here the sum of the squares of the two sides is equal square of the hypotenuse side. Therefore, you prove that here AB square plus BC square is equal AC square. Hence proved the Pythagoras theorem. Hence proved Pythagoras theorem. Here in a triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. At C, let BC is equal A, CA is equal B, AB is equal C, and let P be the length of the perpendicular from C on AB. Prove that. First draw the triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC, take here triangle ABC, A, B, C. Is asked the question, in right angle triangle ABC, BC is equal A, BC length is equal to A. See here perpendicular, what is the question? BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B, AB is equal to C, and PB the length of the perpendicular from C on AB. Therefore, it is called here C on AB means it is called A, it is called C, take, it is called C, it is called perpendicular length. C on AB, well, what is length? Its total length is equal to P. Here in this question, BC is equal to A. What is the length of BC is equal to A? It is the measurement of the length. And AB is equal C. The length is equal C. The length is given C. And next one, here let BC is equal A, CA is equal B, AB is equal C. AB length is equal to C. AC is given, AC is equal B, it is the length is given B. Here in applied by right angle triangle, here in triangle ABC, angle C is equal 90 degrees. Angle C is equal 90 degrees. First applied by area of a triangle ABC. Area of a triangle ABC is equal, what is the formula area of a triangle ABC? Half into base into height, half into B into H, half into base means here first take BC, take BC, take BC into height is equal AC, then that is equal half into BC means what is the BC length? BC is equal A, AC is equal how much? B, that is equal half into AB, and similarly area of triangle ABC is equal, area of a triangle ABC is equal half into, same take here base is equal AB, into height is equal CD, it is called CD length, here take CD length. Therefore, half into AB is equal BC, CD is equal height. Therefore, the half into AB length is equal how much? C, into CD length is equal P. Here in those two triangles areas are equal, therefore compare the two areas of triangles is equal, half into here AB, half into AB is equal half into CP. Therefore, half of cancel, here AB is equal CP. Next another one condition take, condition to prove that. What is the condition to prove that? 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. How to prove this condition? First write here, it is write the form C is equal, AB is equal CP, right here C is equal AB by P. this condition are using now. Here AB is equal to CP, C is equal to A by P. Therefore, you prove that first take here in right angle triangle is given. In right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal sum of the squares of other two sides. In this triangle here, C square is equal A square plus B square. Here C square is equal A square plus B square. What is the value of C? C is equal to AB by P. In the first condition, you take this condition, C is equal to AB by P. AB by P whole square is equal. AB by P whole square is equal A square plus B square. Then it is write the condition here, A square plus B, A square B square by P square is equal A square plus B square. Then it is write the form A square B square into 1 by P square is equal A square plus B square. Then write this form, right, that is equal here 1 by P square is equal to here A square plus B square by AB square right here. Then 1 by P square is equal here A square by A square B square plus B square by B square by A square B square. Then A square cancel, B square cancel, 1 by B square plus 1 by A square. Therefore, 1 by P square is equal, therefore, 1 by P square is equal 1 by B square plus 1 by A square. Hence, prove the second condition. Therefore, 1 by P square is equal 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Hence, prove the second condition. Now, O is any point in a side, a rectangular ABCD. O is a point, any point inside of a rectangular ABCD. ABCD is a rectangular. Prove that OB square plus OD square is equal OA square plus OC square. Hence, you prove that this question. First, take here OB square plus OD square. OB square plus OD square is equal OA square plus OC square. First, draw the one of the rectangle draw here. ABCD is one of the rectangle. PQ is a line draw. First, draw the PQ is a line. It is a line draw here. Join. It is the one of the point on. O is a point on PQ. O is a point on PQ. PQ is parallel to BC and PQ parallel to AD. Again, here join O to A, O to B, O to D, O to C. Okay. Now, write here, first write here, O is a, first take here, draw O is a point, O is a point on PQ, O is a point on PQ. First here PQ is parallel to BC and PQ is a line. Join the PQ line. Join here P to Q. Join P to Q. Join P to Q. Therefore, PQ is parallel to AD. PQ is parallel to AD also. Now, write here, in this here, PQ is parallel to BC, PQ is parallel to AD. Next here, PQ is perpendicular to AB. PQ is perpendicular to AB and PQ is perpendicular to DC. PQ is perpendicular to CD or DC. Now, here in this observation, PQ is a line perpendicular to AB, PQ is perpendicular to DC. Here, P is a point, BPQC is a one of the rectangle. BPQC is a rectangle, and another one take APQD is a rectangle. Here two rectangles are got. APQD is another rectangle and BPQC is another rectangle. In those rectangles are draw here. In this rectangle, here angle B is equal, here angle P is equal exactly 90 degrees and angle Q is equal exactly 90 degrees. And observation BPQ, angle BPQ is equal BPQ is equal 90 degrees. Angle BPQ is equal 90 degrees. Angle CQP is equal 90 degrees. Here in this triangle, what is the observation? First take here OB, take here. In triangle OBP, in triangle OBP or BOP, triangle BOP. Here in this triangle, what is the observation? It is one of the right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, applied by Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem statement. Applied by OB square is equal OP square plus PB square. This is equation number 1. And next one take here, in triangle OQD or QOD or DOQ take in any way. In triangle DOQ, here it is called 90 degrees, opposite side is called hypotenuse side. Here OD square is equal to here DQ square plus OQ square. It is equation number 2. Here therefore next another triangle take here, another triangle. In triangle AOP, what is the condition take here? OA square is equal OP square plus AP square. This is equation number 3. And triangle, another triangle take here, triangle OQC. In triangle OQC or COQ, angle COQ. In triangle COQ is equal OC square is equal angle Q is equal exactly 90 degrees. Again here, therefore in COQ is equal OC square is equal QC square plus OQ square is equation number 4. Now here you prove that first one. What is the proof that here? First one, OB square plus OD square is equal OB square plus OD square is equal. What is the value OB? OB is equal OP square plus a PB square plus here OD square is equal DQ square plus OQ square. Now here OP, what is the length of OP? It is called OP. Here PB, where is PB? PB length is equal to QC length. PB is equal QC. Therefore OP square plus PB change here. PB length is equal to QC square. PB is equal QC, and right here OP square plus PB plus right here QC square, and DQ is equal AP. DQ length is equal AP length. DQ is equal why? Because it is in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite side PB length is equal to QC means it is one of the rectangle. In this rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Here it is AP QD is a rectangle. It is the opposite sides are equal. Therefore DQ is equal AP. Therefore DQ place right here AP square plus OQ square. Then comparison form right here. Here what is the value take here? Next OP square plus AP square. OP, this is called OP, it is called AP. OP square plus AP square plus QC square plus OQ square. Here OP plus AP, OP square plus AP square is what is the value? OA square plus QC square plus OQ square is how much? OC square. Then OB square plus OD square is equal OA square plus OC square. It is called, hence proved the condition. OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. Hence, proved the given condition to that. Thank you, my dear students. Here in similar triangles, all questions are explained. The each and every question. The remaining questions you just to practice your home. Remaining questions. These very important questions are explained in the public examination coming these questions. Thank you, students, my dear students.